for high traffic traveling at a high rate of speed.
Roger.
For some assistance.
Hear that noise? The phone overwhelms is real somehow. I thought originally it was the power supply or something, but it's the radio. It's the this cell phone here. I didn't see that since the early 2000s.
Okay, stand by.
Down on North Main Street in Palmer, heading into the downtown area. No registration yet. If located, stop, hold, ID operator, and contact Telemetry.
It's a little choppy. It's the Westcom system, which is a UHF P25 trunk system. Covers 3 towns. Bolos are always housed over here in Massachusetts. Always. Down south, nobody does it.
Turn right.
But the highway patrol. Fisher? Okay. So that was interesting. And then we get out of range. A lot of out of range tones on this one, too.
In 800 feet.
Checked.
Turn right.
1762 Oxford Street. It's an accident, property damage. Engine 13 was involved in an accident here, and I guess the other party's threatening them.
Simple, plain English.
An employee overheard the alarm sounding in the background.
Listening
He has
in
not
digital.
received a call from the alarm company.
Never thought that
However,
would
he's
happen.
saying that he set off the alarm and he's unable to reset the code.
When
He's
I
gonna
get
be
this